Hello Sudoku friends, welcome to this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, October the 26th, 2020. Yes, we have here in this additional Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic and number 1, a tectonic number 2, binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus, and we have already solved this one, Sudoku medium. So this I will continue with the additional with extra Sudokus. I won't do them all. I've mentioned earlier too much, time consuming, and well, I do the half. 3 stars I will do, 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will do. So the first one, Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be a number 1802. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. I've already counted. You can check if I'm right or wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I use? I see here in this big square 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think I start with the wrong number. 2, 5. Yes, the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this big square. So no 2 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So these 3 missing numbers are the numbers 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 3 and a 9. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark them for you. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright. And now, how about this column? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have the 7 and the 6 in this big square. So no 7 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 7, 6, 7, 6. So the other 2 boxes in this column should be the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 8 goes there. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5. In these 3 boxes, there are 5, no 5. In those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this column, a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. How about these three missing numbers? One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 boxes left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then. Now we have a 9 here. So this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 3. I've marked those 3 and a 9. Alright. How about 6? Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. Oh, wait. Can do better than number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes and there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 7. We see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in the last column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 6. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. So now we have 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. How about these 2 numbers in the third column? 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 in this column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then these 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. That means the other 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 8, and the 6. 186. And look, we have the 1 and the 6 here. So no 1 and the 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and the 6. See here another 6. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 8. And now 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 3 and 4 in this column. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Another pair. Alright. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. We have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 1, yes. So digit number 2. Number 1, so 1 digit left in this big square. This should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8, no. 8 we have 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row? Those numbers are the 3 and the 8. 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be an 8. Finish in 30 minutes. All right. Great. Sudoku, very quick to solve. So is it really a 3 stars? I do not think so. Maybe a 1 star or 2 stars. Anyway, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And if it's going too fast, you can rewind the video and play it slowly. Yes, half so slow or a quarter as slow. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku it will be. So see you later. Bye bye for now.